Hi guys, welcome back to Dick in the Kitchen. And tonight we have a really special treat for y'all, one of the best chicken chili recipes you've ever tasted. It's flavorful, it's hearty, it's perfect for those cozy nights or if you're feeding a hungry crowd. So let's get your aprons on and let's get cooking.
Here's one of the great things about this recipe. The chicken that we use in the chili can be leftover rotisserie chicken. In my case, it's 2 pieces of chicken breast left over from cooking dinner a couple of nights ago. Or you can poach chicken, thighs, breasts, whatever you like. Just cook your chicken, let it cool, and then shred it. That's it. What I'm doing here is taking the chicken I cooked the other night, removing it from the bone and removing the skin, then shredding it, and putting it into my handy dandy Ziploc holder, which I've told you guys about before. Check in the description. There's a link to this in Amazon. You really need to get one of these for yourself. They're so handy in the kitchen. Okay, now we're going to chop our garlic. We have 3 cloves that we chop up kind of fine. Then we're going to juice our 2 limes. Before you juice them, the best thing to do is to put them in the microwave for about 20 to 30 seconds and roll them on the counter to soften them up so you get lots of juice out of them. Next, we're going to coarsely chop our onion by leaving the one end on and then slicing it and then cutting across it into fine dice and chop it up. Now we're going to slice our peppers and chop them up. Beauty is you can use any kind of pepper you like. I'd like to use colored peppers like yellow, red, orange. In this case I have an orange pepper and that works out great, or you can mix it with green peppers. It doesn't matter. For our chili, we're going to use some frozen corn. Take 1 cup of frozen corn and set it with your other items, and we'll use it when it's time. It's time now to start mixing our spices together. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of paprika. I prefer to use smoked paprika, but you can use plain paprika. 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 nice tablespoon of cocoa. Yes, cocoa adds an amazing flavor to your chili. You'll be really surprised. We're going to prepare one more item. That's our fat-free cream cheese or Neufchâtel cheese. We're going to dice that up so it dissolves in the chili a little bit quicker. Now it's time to start cooking. Preheat our pot on medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add our peppers, and we're going to saute those and the onions for about 5 to 7 minutes until they start to soften. After the peppers have cooked for about 5 minutes, add your garlic and saute that for about another 1 more minute. Now we're going to start adding the rest of our ingredients. We add our chicken and give it a good stir. Add our spice mixture and give that a good stir. Time to add a little liquid. We add our 1 cup of chicken stock. Add our frozen corn. Stir in 1 can of diced tomatoes, including the liquid. Add the 1 can of diced chilies. Next, we add 2 cans of well-rinsed white beans, and we wash them and drain them before adding them. Give everything a good stir, and if necessary, add about another 1/2 cup of chicken broth just to keep things moist. Add in lastly your chopped fat-free cream cheese and stir that in very well so that it dissolves thoroughly in the mixture. We're also going to add our lime juice. I put in about half of it, tasted it, and then decided that we need to use the rest of it, so we put that in as well. One last thing that we add before we finish is about 1 tablespoon of brown sugar just to pick up the taste of the chili. I like my chili a little sweet, so I put in a really good solid tablespoon of sugar. Well, our work is done. All we need to do now is to simmer this for about 20 to 30 minutes. We'll put a cover on it, put it down to very low, and let it simmer. In fact, one of the best things to do is to just let it cool, let it sit overnight, and serve it the next day. The flavors really get good.